how's it going everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply import or add a printer profile in Anycubic Slicer. So it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you just want to navigate through the printer setting, which is going to be this one. Now, in order to simply create a new one, you could just click on this drop down menu, and then you could scroll all the way down and you could click create printer in order to create one. Now you could also go ahead and import presets if you want to. So in my case, I'm going to select my nozzle. You could select your printer model, and from here you could click OK. Now if you want to simply import some presets for filaments, you could simply do that by selecting it right here. Click create, and then you should be good to go. But if you want to go ahead and import a printer profile, you could just click on File, click on the Import button, and from here you can import configs. So just go ahead and click this specific button, and from there you should be good to go. You have the ability to locate the file, and that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.